Today we have the 2017 Hyundai Tucson. This vehicle has done just under 58,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have automatic headlights, and on the right we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, map, navigation, settings and information. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our climate control. This includes heated seats on either side. If we press our drive mode button, we can switch to sport mode. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.